How to fix the issue of copyright in Telegram application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Google Play Store and search for Telegram application. If you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. As sometimes outdated version of application can also cause some problem. Then after go to the settings of Telegram app. Tap and hold on the app icon and click on I. In the settings, simply go to the storage and clear the cache for the application, as collected cache can affect the performance of app. Even after that, if your issue is not solved, clear the data and then set up Telegram once again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.